breaking news out of the electric vehicle world, and Tesla bulls are absolutely loving what they're seeing right now. Tesla's stock is surging on the NASDAQ today, ticker symbol Tesla, and the reason behind this momentum is nothing short of electrifying. The Cybercab production lines are officially firing up, and Wall Street is taking serious notice. Let's break this down because this is a massive moment for Tesla, for Elon Musk, and frankly for the entire future of autonomous transportation as we know it. For months, the Cybercab has been one of the most talked about, most debated, and most anticipated vehicles in Tesla's ambitious pipeline. This is not just another car rolling off an assembly line. The Cybercab is Tesla's purpose-built robotaxi, a fully autonomous, two-seat vehicle with no steering wheel, no pedals, and a vision of transportation that Musk has been pitching to investors and the public as the company's golden ticket to its next trillion-dollar chapter. And now, production lines are reportedly spinning up, and that has sent a very clear signal to the markets. Tesla shares are climbing, and analysts who track the stock closely are pointing directly at this development as the catalyst. When you have a company of Tesla's size moving from concept and prototype phase into actual production infrastructure for a vehicle as groundbreaking as the Cybercab, that is the kind of operational milestone that changes the conversation entirely. This isn't a promise anymore. This is pavement meeting rubber, quite literally. Think about what the Cybercab represents in dollar terms. Tesla has projected that its autonomous ride-sharing network could generate revenues that dwarf its traditional vehicle sales business. Elon Musk has spoken openly about a future where Tesla owners can deploy their vehicles as income-generating robotaxis through a dedicated Tesla network. The Cybercab takes that vision even further, a vehicle designed from the ground up with no human driver in mind whatsoever. Zero compromise. Pure autonomy. And the timing here is critical. Tesla is entering this production phase at a moment when competition in the autonomous vehicle space is intensifying rapidly. Waymo, backed by Alphabet, is expanding its robotaxi operations in major U.S. cities. Chinese manufacturers are pouring billions into their own self-driving ecosystems. The race is on, and Tesla cannot afford to blink. The firing up of Cybercab production lines is essentially Musk planting a flag and saying we are not just in this race, we intend to win it. From an investor sentiment perspective, this news is hitting at exactly the right time. Tesla has had a volatile ride over the past year, navigating concerns about Musk's divided attention across his various ventures, pricing pressures in the EV market, and questions about whether Tesla's full self-driving technology could actually deliver on its long-standing promises. But headlines like today's have a way of cutting through all of that noise and reminding the market why Tesla commands the kind of valuation it does, because when this company moves, it moves in ways that reshape entire industries. TipRanks, which closely monitors analyst ratings and stock movements, highlighted this production news as a key driver behind today's Tesla gains, and it's not hard to see why. Production commencement is a tangible, verifiable, undeniable step forward. It is the moment when the skeptics have to sit down and the believers get to stand up. Now the questions that every investor, every analyst, and every Tesla watcher needs to be asking are these: how quickly can Tesla scale Cybercab production? What does the regulatory pathway look like in key markets? And can Tesla's autonomous technology meet the real-world demands of a commercial robotaxi operation at scale? Because if the answers to those questions align with Musk's vision, we may be watching the very first frames of the most disruptive transportation revolution in a century unfold right before our eyes.